Showing and unboxing my new gadget, the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. Hi my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is I'm going to show you what I got again for myself this year 2022, because my amigos and amigas, I love watching some horror or zombie movie in my laptop, but to avoid excessive use of my laptop, I decided to buy this Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. So this one, my amigos and amigas. Not only that, it's also a gift for myself this year 2022, because hard work pays off, of course. So this one, my amigos and amigas. So I'm just going to show you the accessories and parts of it. Okay. So I got a cutter here, so it's like a unboxing, you can call it. Okay. So this one. So I'm just going to cut it. This one. The other side. Okay. Okay, careful. By the way, this costs only a. Where's my receipt? By the way, my amigos and amigas, this Galaxy Tab costs only $228. The price, the original price is $300, so it got a discount because it's on sale. So let's open it. Yeah. Oh, it's really beautiful. So it's like a small, like a cell phone, but it's much more bigger. So this one, Galaxy Tab. And this one's the camera. Okay, and this is the USB port, and there's also another port here. I don't know what, let us discover it. Okay, so it's my first time to buy a tab only this year, because last year I did not buy. Okay, so another they include in the box is this manual, so I have to read it later. Manual and the key, because I have to insert the SD card, which is I bought two. One. And charger. Okay. And while I buy this, while I bought the tab, I also buy this casing. Which one is like a pinkish light. This one costs only $20. And additional is, of course, SD card 64 GB. Okay. So let's try it, man. To see me that. So we take out the SD card to be ready to insert in the tablet. This one. So we get ready to take out the SD card. This one, the 64 GB. Okay, done. I take out already 64 GB. Okay, then we insert it in this tablet. Okay. This one, the port. Okay, we use this one. Okay, so it's like we're assembling it. Okay. Okay, here I take it out already. Here, SD card. It's for Wi-Fi use only. So check out a little more. Okay. Then oh, the SD card section is you have to pull it out. I mean whole part, because I thought it's going to insert only, but I was wrong. You have to pull this part on. Okay. Okay, then I have to put my SD card. SD card slot, by the way. Okay. You just have to follow the shape of it. Okay. Okay, done. So I just follow the shape of it, then ready to insert. Okay. Let's start. Here. Okay, done, ready. Let's switch on. Samsung. Okay, you can see I'm doing a vlog. My camera's reflection is in there, so it's because it's so new. Okay, Samsung Galaxy. Okay. It will take a while to start the process because I have to put my email, add everything, my profile in this device, and also I have to connect a Wi-Fi. See, starting Android. Okay. So while we wait for it, let's connect the charger for this one. So if it's new device, I think you should charge it for at least 1 hour. So I have to charge it later after I finish connecting it to our Wi-Fi here. So let's just put this one. No, sorry. This one just to connect. Okay, so connect already. So it said already, my amigos and amigas, it's welcome. So I have to set up this. Okay, then before I set up, I have to put here. So this one is the one I really like. There's no red color, so sadly I just choose this one, the pinkish white, pink white. It's like a rose gold or old rose color, but still I really like it. So very feminine. So let's start to put it before I start. Okay. Here, clear, like it, nice. Okay, then put it. Okay, oh, okay, already. So this one is the power on. This one, power on. Can I see power on? Then volume high and volume low. So this one is very basic only. So it is nice for me to watch here like K-drama, some zombie movie, because I don't like overusing my laptop and my cell phone. So I'm really happy to purchase this one. Not only that, for additional gadgets to myself, and also the last gadget I will buy here in Singapore, my amigos and amigas. So I will set up this one, my amigos and amigas. And also I have to read the guidelines. Finished already, my amigos and amigas. I mean, setting up my tablet, the Galaxy A7 Tab Lite, showing to you, assembling it. So my amigos and amigas, if you like this video about setting up, unboxing, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye, my amigos and amigas. Keep supporting me. I really love this, my amigos and amigas, because new gadgets, new year, new 2022. I love this one. So thank you again. Bye.